Hello children. Today we will discuss the second part of the chapter, force, work and energy. In the previous part, we understood the concept of force, that what a force is. The force is push and pull applied on any object. And the force can do many things, like it can move an object at rest, it can bring an object to rest, and it can change the position of the object and many other things. Then after that, we understood the types of forces, like the muscular force, which we use to carry the bucket of water, to carry our school bags, and which the animals also use to carry out different activities. Then there is gravitational force, magnetic force, and frictional force. Today we will understand the concept of work and energy. So let's get started. So what is work, or when a work is said to be done? When we apply force on any object, then it is said that work is being performed. But there is a condition for this. Like if we are applying force on any object and we are able to change its position, then only the work is said to be done. Like suppose when we pull a chair to sit down, then it is said that work is being done. But when we try to push or pull a heavy object, let's just say a cupboard or the wall of your room, if you try to push it, then you're not able to change its position, you're not able to move it. Then at that point of time, no work is being performed. Energy. Now children, our parents always say that eat food because food will give you the energy. And also in the previous chapters, I have told you the meaning or the of energy, or why do we take food? Because food provides us with energy. Okay. Now what is energy then? Energy, it is the ability to do work. It means if we are not having enough energy, we won't be able to do work. And what is work? Work is a push or pull or a force applied on an object in order to change its position. And this energy, it is present in sunlight, wind, water, etc. And every day we use energy for each and every task. Now children, next is forms of energy. Now here I'm not saying the types of energy, rather I am saying the forms of energy. Why? Because energy, it cannot be created nor be destroyed. It means that energy will always change from one form to the another form. Okay, so to begin with, we'll understand what electrical energy is. Electrical energy, the energy that is caused by moving electrical charges, which you can find in your homes as well, like the bulbs get lit up. This is because of electrical energy, and your various machines in our home, they work on electricity. And this electricity, it moves through wires. In everyday life, we use it for many purposes, like to run our fans, washing machines, tube lights, etc. You can see the electricity, the bulb is glowing due to the flow of electric charges or due to electricity. Next is heat energy. We use heat energy for a lot of things, like cooking food and to warm our rooms in winters. Like we live in a cold place, so in winters what we need, a warmer, a heater. So that uses the heat energy. That's why the name heater is being given. And most of the heat energy, it comes from coal, petrol, kerosene, and the sun as well. Here you can see the use of heat energy for cooking food. Next is wind energy. Wind energy, it is used to produce electricity through windmills. And where it is used also used for the grinding of wheat, and it is a renewable source of energy. Now, what do you mean by renewable source of energy? Renewable source of energy is one which is able to renew it, which is able to recover it after being used. So that is wind energy. And Netherlands, it is known as the country of windmills. Why? Because many windmills are there. Here you can see the windmills are there. They are located at a distance from each other and are used to carry out different functions or activities. Next is solar energy, and everyone is aware about solar energy. One thing about here is sun. The sun is known as the universal source of energy. It is a source of heat energy, solar energy, everything. The most abundant as well. It does not belong to anybody, so it is for free. And the most important non-conventional source of energy because it is non-polluting. There is no pollution, there is no harm in using solar energy to carry out the different activities. Nowadays, various applications of solar energy are being used like solar water heaters, solar cookers and solar tube lights and many other things. When we hang out our clothes to dry in sun, we use the energy of the sun. In the same way, solar panels, they absorb the energy of the sun to provide heat for cooking food and for heating. You can see the solar plates are being used. They trap the solar energy and then it is being used to carry out different. In this category is hydro energy. Now, what is the meaning of hydro? Hydro means water. So, the hydropower or the hydro energy, it is the energy which is derived or which is obtained by the energy of falling water on fast running water, which is used to produce. Here you can see the dams are being constructed and through them the water is allowed to fall at a very high speed, and that energy of water then it is converted into electrical energy. Now you can understand that here we are converting the energy of water, that is hydro energy, into electrical energy. So that is why at the beginning only I've told you that because of this reason we don't call it types of energy, rather we call it forms of energy. Next one is thermal energy. Thermal energy is the energy which is produced by coal to generate the electricity. That is called thermal energy. And this energy we use to run our vehicles also. And we use petrol to run cars, diesels to run buses. So here you can see the burning coal. It is a source of thermal energy. That's all for today, children. Thank you so much. Have a very good day ahead.